If you're trying to get into UGC in 2026, you do not need every platform. I've been a UGC creator for over a year now, and let me tell you, I've learned so much. The ins, the outs. You do not need to be on every platform. It's just gonna burn you out. You're gonna feel like you're there. No. You just need to keep it simple and stay consistent. Let me tell you the 5 platforms that I use as a UGC creator. Number 1, Obviously. Obviously is one of my favorite platforms. They send you PR and sometimes even have paid opportunities. Obviously is so simple to sign up, and let me tell you, you will get the best PR packages. I've gotten YSL, Lancome, L'Oreal, Garnier, a ton of PR, and I still get PR randomly. Now with Obviously, there is no obligation to post. Posting is optional, but you get to keep all the fun stuff. Like imagine getting a package from YSL and Lancome. Lancome gives the best PR packages, by the way. Obviously is definitely my top 5. Number 2 is Aspire IQ. Aspire IQ was one of the first platforms I signed up for as a UGC creator, and y'all, I got my first paid gig on Aspire IQ. Through Aspire IQ, I've been able to work with Camille Rose, For You by Tia, Trey Lux, jewelry brands, clothing brands, y'all, the list goes on. Aspire IQ is where I landed my first paid UGC deal, and it was $500. So imagine your first UGC deal, $500. I was happy. Your girl was happy. $500 was a lot to me starting off, because what do you mean $500 for a 30-second video? Just doing my hair. I'm telling you, there's a lot of gifted opportunities on Aspire IQ, but you will see some paid opportunities, and best believe they're not that bad. Number 3 is Skeepers. I love Skeepers. For Skeepers, you do have to post. With Skeepers, you get credits, and with those credits, you're going to be applying for those PR packages. When you apply, you lose that credit, but you get it back once you post that video. Posting is pretty simple. They give you the instructions and what to do, where to post, and boom, you're done. Skeepers is a great platform for consistent collaborations. Number 4 is Powered by Hue. I wish I knew sooner with Powered by Hue. This platform connects you directly with brands looking for creators. I've worked with Laura Mercier, Live Tinted, a whole bunch of bougie brands that I have never heard of, but I got to try. Powered by Hue is so simple to use. You literally apply. Once you get accepted, all you're doing is a 30-second video review of the product, and that's it. You even get collaborations where you just give a written review. Plain and simple. So Powered by Hue is definitely a good one. And lastly, Buttermilk. Oh my gosh, Buttermilk is one of my absolute favorites. When I tell you I've gotten Valentino perfume, I've gotten Michael Kors, I've gotten Versace Crystal, oh my gosh, the list goes on. I've gotten tons of makeup, tons of high-end fragrances from me and my husband. This platform is consistently looking for UGC creators. Based on the briefs, you pretty much have the creativity to do your own thing and just have fun with it. You don't need all of these platforms that people say you need. I know there's tons on Threads, on Instagram. People are saying do this, do that. You don't need that many. You just need to pick a few and stay consistent. The opportunities are all out there. You just need to put yourself in position.